Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to study again how to compute the variance for ungrouped data. Variance means the average of squared deviations. Sample number 3, a sample of 5 chess varsity players was randomly chosen. The following data are the number of hours they spent on daily practice. 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours. Question: determine the variance of the data set. Our solution: first step, compute the mean of the random sample. So the random sample is 43232, so we're going to add all of it. So we have to use the x bar equals 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. Then divide the number of samples. Since the number of samples is 5, so our denominator is 5. Then our sum now is 14 divided by 5 equals 2.8. So the mean is 2.8. After the first step, we will go to the second steps. Compute the difference from the mean, then square all the differences. So the first sample is 4 hours minus 2.8, which is the mean, then square. So the answer is 1.2 squared, it becomes 1.44. Then the next is 3 minus 2.8 becomes 0.2 squared equals 0.04. The next is 2.2.8 equals negative 0.08, then the square becomes 0.64. 3 minus 2.8 equals 0.2 squared, then the square root of 0.2 is equals to 0.04. The next 2 minus 2.8 equals negative 0.8 squared, then equals 0.64. The third steps, we have to compute the sum of the square differences. So the square differences are 1.44 plus 0.04 plus 0.64 plus 0.04 plus 0.64. This is came from the second steps. Then we're going to add the total is 2.8. The first steps find the variance now. So our formula to find the variance is square equals sum of the square differences over n minus 1. N is the number of samples given. So the sum of the square differences is 2.8 over the sample. We have 5 minus 1. Then we have 2.8 divide 4. Then the square or the variance is equals to 0.7. Therefore, this means that the approximate average of the square deviations is 0.7. Okay, next, number 4, we're going to find the standard deviation for ungrouped data. The problem, the variance is 0.7. Find the standard deviation. Solution, the given is variance equals 0.7. Our formula for computing the variance is s squared equals variance. Then s squared is equals to 0.7 for the value of variance. Then we're going to find the square root of 0.7, and the result now is s equals 0.836 rounded up to the nearest hundred. It becomes s equals 0.84. So S stands for standard deviation now. So our complete answer now, the standard deviation is the square root of the variance, which is 0.84.